We will start this module by talking about the proposals analysis skills. What is this skill? This skill is to gather the information from your proposals or quotations and do a proper analysis and validation, preparation, visualization to present the final report for upper management for decision making about this deal. So this is one of the top and high level skills that you need to train yourself on doing so. You need to learn how to deal with numbers. You need to learn how to deal with presentations and graphics for these numbers. You need to present these abstract numbers in a way, in a visual way that will help management make decision about this deal. So this kind of skill will make you stand out amongst your colleagues, and it will give a big advantage for you as a procurement professional in front of your management to see what kind of skills you have and how you are helping them making decisions about these proposals or quotations that you are handling. So think of it this way. Um, if you present only tables for them with all these numbers and figures, and uh, if it was like big orders, then how can they use all these big tables that you have prepared and make decisions about this proposal or this quotation? So this is where you stand out by presenting all these numbers in a visual way and present to them the final report that includes the full analysis that you run on these numbers and on these proposals. All these figures will help management make decisions easier, especially if they see a visualization of this whole proposal. So stay tuned, and I'll look forward to see you in the next section.